Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and today in this video I'll show you how to use the Eisenhower Matrix option. So first, what you want to do, you want to press this button. Here you'll see Eisenhower Matrix, and you have like an urgent and important task. You want to go here, then you'll add the task that is very urgent for you and important, of course. So for example, running. And yeah, that's it. And that is how you use the Eisenhower Matrix option. And here you can also use not urgent and important, urgent and unimportant. And yeah. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.